Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Gear. Which of the following is not a pneumatic bone? Mastoid is not a pneumatic bone, while maxillary, ethmoid, and sphenoid are pneumatic bones. Not included in bony labyrinth is organ of Corti is not included in bony labyrinth. Bony labyrinth contains cochlea, semicircular canal, and vestibule.
organ of Corti is actually the sensory organs. It's not a bony labyrinth.
Bony cochlea is a coiled tube making around 2 modulus. 2 3/4 turns around the bony pyramid called as modulus. Next. Sense organ of hearing is organ of Corti.
Thank you and thank you for watching.